دكتور سوريش هيعطيكم just introduction خاصة للحضور حول برنامج الورشة. Okay? We start.
Thank you very much, respected Dean Dr. Abdul Hamid, senior professors, department heads, my colleagues, participants, and my dear students. A warm welcome to all of you to this workshop on personality development. Thank you very much for spending your time and participating. First, on behalf of Mechanical Engineering Department, the organizers of this workshop, I welcome all of you to this opening session. Now, the question is, what is personality? This is new, something new. Personality is from the Latin word persona. Persona means mask. Mask means it's like hidden. Actual meaning is hidden. But what we understand by personality is the way we dress, the way we walk, the way we talk, the way we act, the way we react. This is what we know. But, of course, this is personality, but this is only 10%. 90% of the personality is inside us, that we are not paying attention. So if we develop our internal personality, this 90% will boost this 10%, and altogether you will become a successful person. And number one, Rakam Wahid, if I am right. Yeah. So now the question is, why this personality development for you, Libyan citizens? The future Libya is with you. We are gone. We are almost middle-aged, but the new Libya is waiting for the development from your side, the response, the contribution. Now, how this personality development helps you to develop? The first thing, for every successful person, there are some factors that influence the success. Number one, goal. Objective. Goal means what I want. Today is 29 April 2012. Tomorrow is 30. Next May, June 2013, 2020. The time is passing. Tomorrow I am unknown. Today I am unknown. I am not known to anybody. But if I have a will, I have a goal. After 5 years, inshallah, after 5 years, you will be known to everybody in Libya. See, you people have got great resolution. Great resolution. You have proved it. You have made the impossible possible. Yes, I am talking about Sabbath to prayer. You have shown your courage. You have shown to the world. Now, this is the time for you people to show to the world, to prove to them that you are not inferior to any country on the planet. So the first step for this is develop your personality. Start with goal. Have such an objective. Shoot for the moon. You won't fail. Even if you fail, you will be among the stars. Number two, time. All of us are very busy. We don't have time. But one thing, from a beggar to Barack Obama, all people have 24 hours. Barack Obama has 24 hours. He became a president of United States by influencing white people votes. So if it is possible for Barack Obama, it's also possible for you. So here we are going to target some certain factors. The first factor, goal. We are going to help you how to set the goal, which one is influencing me, and how I am motivated to move. Number two, how to manage my time, our time. Because 24 hours, and if you manage, you will be the winner. Number three, communication. The way I talk, the way I act, the way I react. This is communication. Like there are two kinds, verbal, non-verbal. So we will deal this session 3. Then positive attitude. How to be a positive person. Always we think negatively. I am a failure. I cannot do anything. I am gone. I want to transform you from this negativity to positivity. The last one, stress. Most of the students are under stress. Dr. Mushkil are very difficult. He is giving very difficult questions. Mushkil, doctor. This is causing stress. If doctor is problem, this is a chance for you to solve the problem. For every problem there is a solution. All doctors are like your parents. They want to make you work. But unfortunately, we take it negatively. This doctor is exclusively he is troubling me. Not like that, my dear friends. We are here only to help you, to groom you like our children. So these are the factors these are the things I am going to discuss. Now, with your kind permission, let me give you the brief overview of my presentation. It takes 10 minutes, and I want to show you some of the successful personalities who started from zero, who became hero. I want to show you. I have on my laptop. Are you ready? Do you follow me? Okay. Thank you. Please give me 1 minute before I start my presentation. And his father left his mother and he was alone. So this guy had a very tough beginning. And he is the first American president from black community, a black American, Obama. Then he was not a born king. He unified Libya from 3 provinces to unified Libya. And he was not a prince. He became king by his determination. Yes? King Idris. Now my question to you, what's the difference between them and us? All of us, God has given us equal potential, same body, same blood, same limbs, but there is a small difference. They had goals. They had a single goal. They were loving that goals and they were shooting that goal and they reached that goal. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is, if you believe that, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. Yes, believe me. So, I want to show you a small example. In India, there was a person by name Kamalesh Patel. At the age of 5, due to the mistake of a doctor gave an injection to him, and the injection was a wrong injection. Due to that, he got paralysis. He could not, his legs finished, paralyzed. So he had only hands. But he did not stop. He tried, he became famous. You want to watch? It continues. It goes like this. The intention is just use his arms, his hands. Now he is giving programs in the United States. Yes. Usually people commit suicide in the States, many people. But this guy has a goal to show to the world that even I am paralyzed, it's possible. Because I believe it. There is another example in which this guy has no hands, no limbs, no legs. No hands, no legs, still he proved. Just watch.
My name is Nick Vujicic, and I love traveling around the world, fishing, golfing, and swimming.
We have seen this. Thank God, we are hale and healthy. We are perfect. Good personality from outside. Now, it's time for us to build our personality from inside and become confident. Set a goal. Try to end the moon. Have a process, step by step, little by little. Try to reach it. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Never stop like a snail. You will succeed. Now the question is it possible? Okay, Mr. Suresh, you have shown us some videos and you are doing some magic. We have so many questions. And I have answers to those questions. So, is it possible for us to realize our vision, our desire, our wants, our dreams? The answer is yes, 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 it's possible. How? This is the big question. How? The remaining sessions help you to learn a process that make your dreams possible. Now, it's time for a cup of coffee, end of another session. We can have coffee after 10-20 minutes. We can assemble back. And I thank our guests for their valuable time. Bring your hands to our friends.